Step one, replace this with this. Here we go. I don't know what tools I'll need, so I grabbed all these from the shed. I have also lighted the citronella candle to work near me to keep some of the bugs away. I don't know that it works too well, but yeah, I'll pull out the instructions, but I'm ready with tools for now. Making progress. Got pieces sitting over here, and it's a bit like Lego in that you got to find the right pieces, put the right pieces in the right place, and attach. So that's what I'm working on. You see, I got the top over there, and I'm working on top of the box here so that I don't have to bend down or get on my knees. So yeah, making progress. Okay, another update. What I'm going to show you is I've been using the drip pan to hold my screws and bolts before I use them, but over on the instructions it says that I should be putting the handle on the top unit before putting the top unit onto the bottom. What I think I'm going to do is reverse that. I'm going to attach the top to the bottom and then put the handle on, because where it's sitting is kind of precarious right now, and yeah, I'd rather just put it all on top and then attach the handle, because I can move this rack down, put the top on, then put the handle on. So let's do that next. Next update, I did have to grab a washer from my own supply because I was missing one from the parts list, but got the wings on, the two side tables, and yeah, next I think I'm probably working on the doors and the attachments that go with the burners. So yeah, moving along. I'll give you a little view from below. So I just finished put it on both the starter and the burner connection. So I had to plug in these two wires. One runs to the exterior burner and one runs underneath. You see that? To the regular burners. So that's a battery powered starter, just a AA. And then I had to put in this little strange cotter pin to hold this burner onto this lighter for that gas connection. Okay, so there's the final put together grill. I did have 5 extra screws, but I think it's just redundancy on the part of the manufacturer in case you lose one or something, because there's no other holes for any screws to go into. So I believe it is done. I'm going to try it out probably this afternoon after I pull the propane tank out of that monstrosity and put it in here. I will have to set in my additional tank in the shed, but that's okay. I've got a new grill. And once again, this is the Char-Broil Performance. If you remember my previous video, you can see the ordeal I went through just to buy this thing. It is maybe about 30% smaller than this guy, but a whole lot newer, and I look forward to using it for many years to come. Thanks for watching, and let me know what you think.